Today's question is, should I schedule valuable articles? It's an important discussion and topic, and it's important to look at your policy to really understand what it covers and what it means. For starters, it's important to know that every insurance company is different. They have different policy forms, different contracts, and if you're unsure about what your policy does or does not cover, be sure to ask your agent. A standard homeowner's policy, though, does cover personal property, such as everything inside your house, from clothing, furniture, pots, pans, clothes. But it may set a certain dollar limit on what it'll pay for certain classes of contents, such as jewelry. For example, there's oftentimes a sublimit of $1,500 on what your company will pay for a jewelry loss if the peril is theft. So if you have a $10,000 engagement ring, you don't want a check for $1,500. You would much rather have a check for $10,000. So what you need in that instance is what we call a valuable articles policy. It's also been called a rider, scheduled personal property endorsement. It can be called a number of things, but in a nutshell, what it does is it's a separate policy or a rider that provides extra limits of coverage for those items. So if you need the higher limit on jewelry, you schedule it and you get that agreed value. Common things that people schedule is jewelry, artwork, antiques, silver, furs, music equipment, even things like coin collections, wine collections, stamp collections, etc. The benefit that you get when you schedule these is that you get broader protection and you have no deductible that applies. By broader protection, what I mean is if you lose your engagement ring in the parking lot at the grocery store, or it falls down the kitchen sink, your homeowner's policy may not cover that, but when you pick up and have this rider or endorsement, then it does pick up that coverage. Also, you have no deductible that applies, so you're not subject to your homeowner's $1,000, $2,500, $5,000 deductible. Do these riders cost money? Yes. Does it make sense to schedule everything under the sun? No. It's important to know what you have and have a discussion with your insurance contact about it so that they can help answer coverage questions and determine what makes sense for you. Stay tuned for the next question.